I'm going to tell you what happened to me with my Ford F-150 because it really had me scratching my head for several days. One morning, I got in the truck. Everything turned on normally. Dashboard, lights, radio. But when I turned the key, nothing happened. Not even a click. I thought it was the battery, checked it, and it had good voltage. I even tried jump starting it, and still nothing. The next day, someone on a forum suggested trying to start it in neutral, N, instead of park. I did, and it started on the second try. I was shocked, but a few days later it failed the same way again. I checked relays, fuses, the battery. Everything was fine. Finally, at the shop, they discovered it was the gateway module, an electronic fault that prevented the truck from starting even though everything else was working. They reprogrammed it, and ever since it starts perfectly. The crazy part is that it seemed like something simple, like a weak battery, but it was actually a software problem. I learned that with modern F-150s, sometimes it's not the engine, it's the electronics that decide whether your truck starts or not.